Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, I am preparing to do my second paycheck budget for the month of May. I like to do a monthly overview so I have a general idea of how much money I'm expecting to come in and where I plan on spending that money. And I also try to do the same thing with my paycheck. So my monthly kind of gives me just like a big overview, but then my paycheck budget, because I do a paycheck to paycheck budget, that actually is me breaking down those monthly expenses by paycheck and allocating it and spending it where it goes. What I have been doing is I put this on my refrigerator. This has been my focus for the month of May, that proper preparation prevents poor performance. All right, let's get into it. So this budget, I started writing it in so it wouldn't take so long. And I'm trying to make sure because I recorded my first paycheck budget, and in the background I kept hearing this click noise and I didn't know what it was and I couldn't get rid of it. So I did not post that video at all. This one, I'm a salary employee. I know exactly how much I'm going to get paid on every paycheck. I already see my last paycheck for the month of May. So there's no reason for me not to prepare for my money and know where I'm spending it. But this paycheck, I got paid on Friday, which was the 17th. And what posted to my account is 2159.34. So I can put that in. And I do kind of write it at a slant. I can put that in the plan part as well as the actual. I do split my mortgage. I make my mortgage payment as one, but the budgeting part for it, I split in two. So on my first paycheck, I put half of that away. And then on this paycheck, I'll put another half away. So by the time June 1st rolls around, I'm ready to make my June mortgage payment. So half of my mortgage payment is $822. And I do not pull this money out of the bank. I leave it in the bank. I just move it to a separate account and it's locked so that, let's say an unexpected expense comes through, this money is not touched. And that's the way SoFi is set up. And I think Capital One does it too. It will not pull from this account. So my water bill, I'm paying the full amount, which is $100. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me zoom in because I think you guys probably can't even see. There we go. Okay. And then for my internet, that is $95. And then I do the same thing with my cell phone. I pay my cell phone half and half. And half of it for this time is, let me look at my spreadsheet, $220. It's actually going down. It's going down slowly, but it's going down. If I can get it below 400 within the next month or so, that would be absolutely wonderful. And I just realized my dryer was going, so you probably heard that in the background. All right, so let's say 2159.34. And then as far as bills go, I got to make sure I'm in frame. I am. Okay, so for bills, we got mortgage, water. This is the full amount for water. This is the full amount for my internet. And then this is half for my cell phone. So that's one, two. Let me move my keypad out of the way. So, and let me open this up a little bit. And I'm so sorry because I know this is right. So Cricket. It's 1237 minus 2159.34. So I have 922.34 left. Okay. Now what I do is, and I think what I'm going to do when this book is done, this planner is by Papers by Jessica Ann. And I know she has it where you can order it in a ring binder. And I think that's what I'm going to do next time. So that way I'm not flipping the book. I love the book, but I think I'm going to buy that one the next time because I actually love this planner. Okay, so for car payment, I'm going to do my full amount because that's due on the 22nd. So I need to pay my car payment. That's $489.52. My AC loan, I took out a loan for my AC. This has already come out of my account. And then I have a credit card that I am paying off, and it's like a settlement that I made. So it's $56.06 that I'm paying. Yeah, I made a settlement, well, payment arrangement. So I'm paying this off because I'm truly working on debt as well as saving. And lately my focus I've been like so gung-ho that I just want to be debt free. I really want to be debt free. So you haven't really seen me posting saving challenges because it's like I'm just kind of throw as much money to debt as I can, and I'm still putting money aside for saving. Okay, so I always do Mini Monday, and this time I'm budgeting $30 for Mini Monday. And SoFi has like a investment that you can do, kind of like Robinhood, where you can buy like stocks and so forth and just invest. So I decided on each paycheck I could at least put $10 towards that, and just buy little. I don't if I'm not buying big, I just buy little and just let it keep growing. I don't touch it. Now let's see. Oh, hold on. Let's add up my car payment plus my loan for this AC and this debt. $662.91. And it's so funny because now I have both of my sons home, and every time they ask me something, I'm like, you guys are grown. You guys are grown, triple grown. Okay, so $259.43. This one is 40. And then that leaves me with $219.43. So I went and bought grocery, and it was so funny because as I was buying groceries, I'm like, the mother in me, oh, I'm so sorry, that was loud, says, okay, buy grocery, cook, because your sons are home. And then the other part of me is like, man, they're grown. They're grown. But I'm still going to buy grocery. I'm still going to cook for them and everything. I spent $130. And you may hear the rain because it is raining here, which gave me a chance to do my video. For gas, I put $60 in my car, I think last week when we came back, and I'm still at half a tank of gas. I have been trying, because I said my focus is paying off debt, and try my best not to spend. So what I've been doing is, and what has helped me is, I typically in the past would not come straight home from work. I would stop by a store, walk around. Of course, that means for me, walking around means I'm spending anywhere between $5 to $20 to $25 when I do that. So I've been like forcing myself to come home, to go outside and work in my yard, to do something around my house every day. Anything that I can do to make sure that I am not spending and I am like saving and putting towards my credit card payment. Like I take little, like I have this little thing by my, and I know I'm getting off track, but I have this little thing by my door when you walk in my room. And sometimes I'll just walk in and just drop a dollar bill in it and drop a dollar because I'm trying my best to make sure that I don't spend. I have been known to be a spender. And now that I'm driving again, I'm trying my best not to. So, all of that just to say that for gas, I am only putting in $30 because, like I said, I'm still at half a tank, and I won't need, yeah, that half a tank should last me next week, and then I can put 30 in, or maybe I'll just put this 30 in and then fill it back, make it go full again. And then for spending for myself, I only give myself $10. I think I left something off. I do this every single time. Hold on, let's see. 160, this is 170. And I know exactly what I did. 219.43 minus 170 is 49.43. That extra 40 should be up here. And it should go into my savings. So now that's 80. So 259.43 minus 80 is 179.43. And that leaves me with 943. And that matches my spreadsheet. All right, so let me do this here. So income is 2159.34. And then my next paycheck, our insurance and so forth doesn't come out. So that check is going to be a little higher, but I want to take that money as well and push it towards some more debt. Okay, and bills total $12.37. I keep looking in the store for this pen. It's the Friction Clicker Erasable blue. It's a friction ball erasable pen in blue, but I can't find it. And I bought these from Walmart. I'm so afraid to order it from Amazon. Debt is $662. And then savings is 80. Oh my God, that drip in the back is driving me bananas. And then there's 170. Okay, so let's see. 2149 minus 1237 minus 662.91. Hopefully I'm still in frame. Minus 80 minus 170. $9.43. That's my buffer. That's all I. Oh, sorry, I just hit the camera. All right, 943 is what I have left in my buffer. See, my pen is running low. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so that's my budget. I haven't written in my expenses yet. I need to write those in, but I don't have anything to spend. So everything is going towards bills and savings or whatever. But this is my budget. I did want to get this video up. I didn't want you guys to think that I am not budgeting, not doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm tracking my expenses on my Excel spreadsheet. I need to move them over to this paper. But that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. You guys are wonderful. And like I said, this planner is from Papers by Jessica Ann. I know she's on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I actually love my planner. So yeah, so I will catch you guys in the next video, which will be my mini Monday video. All right, as I always say, positivity, no negativity. Speak positive, watch positive come back to you. Have a blessed, wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys on Monday.